Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. In the trap house off the 42, I'm blowing her back out.
Promise that you won't let me fall.
Danger, been so lost, without you all around me.
To Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare her. Don't mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then slip on some bubble. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road.
We just rub it out. I don't want no second bitch. You know you my blood and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the missing. Oh, wish it was different what it was. I've been down, baby. No, I'm still in love you first. No, I'm still on finding love. I've been down, baby. And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, of you to make me feel just like this. Do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you meant to make me feel just like this. Do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm not too violent when you treat me like corduroy. Wear me out, arguments you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no second bitch, you know you my blood and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby. Heavy reminiscing. Heavy on the missing. Oh, wish it was different what it was. I've been down, baby. No, I'm still in love you first. No, I'm still on finding love. I've been down, baby. And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. Do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm not too violent.
Right now because I have to get some games for the game tonight. We're gonna go to Sapri's tonight. We're gonna get good eats. So you know, I'm ready. So ready. I might block a little bit of that, but y'all know y'all can't all the tea. Can't all the tea because the feds do. We watch my page. Do we stalk me? Y'all can't see all that. So yeah, but yeah, this is all the days in life of a teen stylist. You know, doing the design, makeup, did Erica and this other girl here. Yeah. Days in life. Yeah, and then here it's finished. It's done. It's giving. What it does? Gives. Yeah. Yeah. Hashtag. Not this. Yeah, that's the one. And yeah, be on the lookout for my stylist page. You know, be on the lookout. It's gonna be in the description when I make it. So yeah, peace out. Okay. So guys, we're at Target now. Let me show y'all the games we got. So we got this one. That's what she said. Real fun, real cute.
Yeah, we got Let's Get Deep print edition. You know.
And then we got a case of one. Y'all know y'all been seeing this. We gonna do like a TikTok about it. I'm gonna do a TikTok about it because this is really daddy can. Just like I'm that girl, daddy can. Yeah.
Anyways. Yeah. But then we got Twister. You know, a fun game. I haven't played Twister since I was 6. Let's see how this goes. We
doing a case of Jamie Banks.
Ooh.
So, I haven't heard about her. What happened to Jamie Banks?
I've heard.
About her. This thing is freaking heavy.
We're going to stand in these long ass lines.
No, I gotta show you how long the lines is. Come on, let's go get some lip balms.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. Okay, y'all. So it is 7:15. Reservation at 7:30, and we still have not left the house. So this is the fit. Hold on. This is the fit. This is from Shein. It's the bodysuit. This is Nike. Bag, rainbow, shoes, Nike. Her hair, me, mother. Yeah. Face, me, nails, Barbie, lashes. I forgot her name. And yeah.
Me.
Nobody wants. No.
Lashes, me.
He's lying.
I'm not.
He's lying.
I'm not.
You're lying.
He wants to be seen.
Back to me. Back to our regularly scheduled program.
I'm missing my celebrity shade.
I did my TikTok.
So we got game number 2, game number 3, and the other 2 in the back. How I fit the hell me?
Just flip it. But my camera is kind of like broke, so like yeah, I will record you. I know y'all want to see me. She turned around. I know y'all want to see me in the back that I am.
Not the right occasion.
I tried to tell you, but you thought I was hating. Okay. So like, I don't get it. Y'all see? Yeah. Caught it on camera.
I didn't even do that.
Caught it on camera. Caught it on camera. Caught it on camera. Caught it on camera. Wait, it's 7:33. Yeah, that's why I'm wearing this. Okay, y'all, we at Tap 42. So good. We in top 42 now, and we're lit. Real lit. Yeah. She looks so good. Oh my God, she looks so good. Too lit right now. Yes, too lit. Too lit. I feel like my face for the sit and get home for the rest of the night. Yeah.
Yeah, so we fine dining.
Fine dining, yeah. You know, y'all see, it's on 42. 42. Yeah. 42. 24 because I'm 24. Yeah. And yeah, we got here. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We took a couple before we got here. So we feeling real good right now. Jenna, how you feeling? Good. Jenna? How you feeling, Devon?
Them shots was killing Jalen in the car.
Killing him. He can't hang, y'all. He can't hang. Carmelina. How you feeling, Carmelina? Ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. That's all I'm ting-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. How you feeling, Connie? I'm feeling real good, real good. How you feeling, baby? How you feeling, birthday girl? I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling like another shot with you. I'm taking that emotion. Yeah, I sure do. Even though them shits be killing me, but you know. I'm not. I don't feel it yet. Yo, your lips getting numb. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it a little. Yeah. Very much. Stop cold. Yeah. I don't know what I want, man. I look so good right now. So good. Y'all, the hair is really giving. It's giving very much Nikki Barbie. Yeah. Yeah. Nikki the Barbie, Nikki the hair is Barbie. I don't even know why you guys bother at this point. Like, give it up. Give it up. Give it up. Yeah. That part. Because you all don't know. Y'all don't know. Y'all don't know. Oh, we just got the grub. These chicken tenders are so good. Like, it made no sense. She don't like her macaroni. He finna taste it. That was kind of sus. I ain't gonna lie to you. What? Oh wow. Ew. Am I recording? Okay, I'm recording? Yeah. Hey vlog. Say what's up to the vlog. Say what's good to the vlog. Like damn. Alright, y'all say what's up to the vlog.